Good morning, West Michigan. It is 5:13, and we are looking at a fairly quiet morning. The live view looking at over downtown Grand Rapids, and conditions that are really going to be, aside from an icy spot here or there, very quiet for the start of the day. You want the sunglasses this morning, but clouds will be on the increase after the morning sunshine fades. We've got a light mixture of precip moving in late tonight, not till after midnight, and that will be with us changing over, in fact, to some snow as colder air settles in for tomorrow. We've got a snowy Sunday on the way. This is going to be the bigger weather event for us Sunday into Monday and Tuesday as we get a snowstorm rolling to West Michigan for Super Bowl Sunday, followed by a return to Arctic air as we head into the early part of next week. Now, temperatures outside this morning, single figures to around 10 degrees. And as we look at the 24-hour temperature change, we're a good 5 to almost 15 degrees colder this morning compared to where we were at yesterday morning at this time. Now, as we look at Storm Track Live radar, not a whole lot of activity. And in fact, that system that we're talking about for late tonight into early tomorrow morning is still developing off to our north and west. So regionally, not a lot of activity going on for today. And in fact, you can see in our Futurecast computer models, the clouds really on the increase. High mid-level clouds initially, then overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. That's when the precipitation begins to fall. But you can see even by 9-10 o'clock this evening, we're still dry across West Michigan. Notice what happens around or shortly after midnight. Yeah, that snow and mixed precip starts to move in, and that will be with us again for the morning commute. Could be quite challenging. Will tend to diminish to just a few flurries by later tomorrow afternoon. So I do think the bullseye, the precip, comes through from midnight tonight through about noon tomorrow. And then as that system clears out, we are looking at conditions that will quiet down again as we head through Friday and Saturday. Again, a winter weather advisory in effect starting at 1 o'clock tomorrow morning through 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And again, as we look at the overall snow total, only an inch or two expected, and that's because that precipitation does initially begin in the form of a mixed bag, which mixes down our snow totals just a little bit. We're back to partial sunshine on Friday, low 30s on Saturday, and then the rest of that 8-day forecast shows the widespread snow for Sunday, changing over to lake effect snow showers for Monday and Tuesday as that Arctic air settles in. We're talking about temps in the teens and wind chills back below zero in a lot of places. So starting out,
okay.
I guess we just needed to change the calendar forward into February to open up the snow again.
To feel those temperatures again.
Yeah, in an average February, we pick up about a foot of snow in totality. The last several years, we've picked up 2 to 3 feet of snow in February consistently. It has tended to be one of our snowier months, at least compared to average. And the way the pattern is shaping up this year, I think that's the trend that continues. So it looks like a cold and snowy February is ahead.
So we got blasted in November, got the month off in December, maybe a month off in January when you look at it as a whole now, and then February getting blasted again, huh?
Blasted again. We'll be ready for spring break when it arrives finally.
Yes, no doubt about that. Thank you, Terry. It is